Hello everyone, this is Fali. So today I'm going to do a tutorial showing you how to create a skin of the buildings, like the curve or something like that. So suppose you already have the skin shape that you want. Example, I'm going to start with a star. So it has to be here. So I'll just create one star. And what I simply do is I'm going to copy paste that. So yeah, don't forget that you have to go with snap toggle and then the move, and hold the shift button on your keyboard, then move it, pasting it there, and then I'm going with 10 maybe. Okay, and then see if it's still, yeah, I think it's okay. Just move it back in a little bit. So after this we're going to select all those shape and then right click and convert to editable poly, so it has created a face, and then you have to copy them to make it like longer. So again, select all of the object, and then yeah, let's just work on the top view, which is faster. Okay, and then don't forget the snap toggle again. Let's just select in here, go to this, and then I will just move with the snap there, and then I will go with 7 as I tested before. It's fine. Yeah, it's a bit too much, I think. It's okay. Or I'll just remove one row, I think, because it looks square. I don't want it to look like square. Yeah, and then maybe we can add more to the right side. Sorry. And then hold the shift button. It's not working. Okay, forget it. Let's just use that. Okay, so after that you have to select all the objects and then go to utility and then collapse, and yeah, it's collapse, and then go to the chart here and then select on collapse selected. Yeah, and after you have selected all the collapse, you go to modifier, like modify and modifier list, and then you have to find bend. It's very simple, just use bend. So when you use bend, before you start you have to make sure that the the bend, the axis is in the middle, because if you look at this one, okay, I'll just adjust the angle, so you see that it's not going right. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use this, as it say align, and then select on the object you want to align, and then make sure that it's center. Okay, so just go to bend, and then inside the bend there's a center. So when you stay on the center, make sure that you click on axis, and then you can curve it like using the angle. But as you can see here, the curve is not starting from the middle, it starts from the side. Okay, so let's just fix it by staying in the center of the bend, and then go to align, then click on the object, like you have to wait until it show this sign and then click. Yeah, and then make sure that you untick Y and Z position, just use X and then click on the target object as center and then OK. Yeah, so here the X is going into the center instead. So see, you can move it from the center. So this is the skin color you want to create, but now you want it to curve in another shape, not like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply another bench on the bench. So just go to bench one more time, modifier list and bench, and then when you go to that bench, you're gonna change to y-axis, and then the directions I have tried before, so it should be 90, and then the angle is minus 80 degrees. Yeah, so this is how it look like. Yeah, I made it. See, so this is the skin that we have created. Very simple by just using the bench, and you can also adjust the angle as you want, like to curve up or curve down, it's up to you. And if you want the other side, it's very simple, just use the mirror and then click on copy. Okay, oh, it's not copy in the right axis, so of course just use rotate, I guess. So, oh sorry, so the rotate should be 180 degree. Yeah, there you go. So this is like a roof of the public space, like, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much guys, thank you for watching.